In the previous videos, we understood how to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. But in this video, we are going to find the irrational numbers between rational numbers. Okay, so this 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 are rational numbers. We have to find irrational numbers, any two irrational numbers between them. So let's consider, we know that we know that this 1 by 5, this 1 by 5, if we divide this, we will get 2.0, 0.20. This is simple. You can divide like this and you will get 0.2. Okay, this is a simple method, simple division method. And 2 by 7 is equal to 0.2857, and so on will be there, and bar also there. This will become an bar. Okay, if you divide these two numbers, you will get 0.20, 0.2857 bar. If you don't know how to divide them, please watch the lecture number 2. Okay, so next step, to find two irrational numbers, observe these two, 0.20, 0.2, 0.28. We have to write the numbers between these two numbers, 2857. You can see 2028, so that you can write like this, 0.20 is there, you can write 2157, you can write 0.2257 till 0.28, you can so on, you can like that. So let's examples for numbers between these two numbers, 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, 0.24, 0.25, 0.26, 0.27. Till then you can write any numbers. You can increment this one and write here like 0.21, 1. You can write 0.221, you can write 0.231, and so on. This is the method you can find the rational numbers between any two irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. Another example I want to teach you. So this is not a fraction. You have to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers, but this is not in fraction form. So you have to use one formula to find a rational number between two rational numbers, between two rational numbers. There is a formula called root AB. Root AB. In this example, what is A? 3. What is B? 4. Use this formula, root 3 into 4. There is nothing means into. So 3 4 is 12. What uh, you can do like that. Better don't do like that. Use this. Root is both on both numbers, like root 3 and root 4. So you can write root 4 as 2 square, and square root cancel. There will be 2 root 3. Okay, this is the irrational number. This is an irrational number between these 3 and 4. Okay, this is the method. They have to, if you got these fractions, you have to use this method. If you got only natural numbers, you can write this formula. Now maybe in 1 mark you will get these questions, whether are rational and irrational. So you have to identify whether these two numbers are these numbers. You have to solve this and the resulted number will be our answer. You have to identify whether that number is a rational or irrational number. Okay, so let's find out. Here you have to use one formula: a plus b plus a minus b. Here one formula is there. So but you can do simple method. Don't use this formula, use like that. So I'm writing the above question: plus plus into plus plus 3 plus into minus minus root 3. You have to open the brackets. Now you open these brackets. Just I'm opening the bracket, something I'm doing. Minus root 3 as it is. Now plus 3 plus 6 plus root 3 minus root 3, 0. Okay, so answer is 6, where 6 is an rational number. This is an rational number. Okay, what is rational number? This is a rational number. Now this question, here you have to use one formula: a plus b into a minus b is an a square minus b square. This is the formula. So what is a here? A is 3. What is b here? Root 3. So our formula is, so 3 plus root 3 into, I'm writing the question, okay, is equal to a square minus b square. What is a? 3. Square is in the question. A is here, a is here, square is here, minus b root 3. What is? Square. Okay, b is in root 3 and this is square. I am just substituting a and b values in the a square minus b square formula. Now what is 3 square? Square means you have to multiply that number with itself. 3 3 is a 9, and you have, this is the rule, square root will be cancelled. So answer is 3. 9 minus 3 will be 6. 6 is an rational number. You may get irrational number in another example. Is an rational number. Rational number. Okay. So this is the what is the, you may get among this, from among these examples you may get any one question in your exams. In this is the very important question. You may get these types of questions approximately maximum. So thank you for watching.